Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best ping pong paddles available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Adoras Ping Pong Paddle. If you're looking for a table tennis paddle that will help you step up your game, Adoras Soft Ping Pong Paddle is hard to beat. It comes with a spin rating of 93. Adoras Ping Pong Racket provides excellent spin and balance while playing. The rubber has plenty of grip to put spin on the ball, while the smooth handle of the table tennis bat offers easy control over the spin. At number 5 we have Upcon Pro Ping Pong Paddle. Paddles are made of high-quality 5-ply wood blade 2mm thick soft sponge, and eco-friendly 1.5mm super sticky rubber for a perfect ball control. Upcon Pro Table Tennis Racket flared handle is very durable in comparison to our competitors. Ergonomic shape of table tennis paddle handle is great for comfortable grip during long sessions. At number 4 we have Pro Spin Ping Pong Paddle. This high performance comes with 1.8mm sponge padding for added control and spin. Its design comes with triple sanded handles, and made for you to always play your best game with comfort and style. These table tennis balls can survive any serve or smash on any outdoor or indoor ping pong table. At number 3 we have Vibe Recreation Ping Pong Paddle. This is the perfect activity for anyone interested in having leisurely fun with friends and family. This durable and versatile ping pong paddle set will keep up with your game as your skills naturally improve. Each blade is made of 7-ply wood and extra thick rubber for the ultimate speed control and durability. At number 2 we have Killer Spin Ping Pong Paddle. The Killer Spin Jet Set 2 of 2 ping pong paddles and 3 table tennis balls is the perfect set for beginners. The 5-layer wood blade construction and jet basic rubbers are designed for recreational players who want to improve their game and dazzle the competition. Its flexible PVC tape surrounds the edges of the paddles for protection and long-lasting use. At number 1 we have Champion Ping Pong Paddle. This innovative net posts clamp onto tabletops measuring up to 75 inches across and 1.75 inches thick so you can start a game anytime. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best ping pong paddles for your need.